Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 15th of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, wind power development in Peru is gaining strong momentum. The country currently has 49 wind projects under development, totaling 10,754 megawatts of planned installed capacity. The wave of projects ranges from initiatives at the grid connection request stage to plants that have already secured pre-operational studies approved by Peru's electricity system operator. Despite the scale of the pipeline, only 5 projects have obtained definitive concessions. They represent a combined 988.2 megawatts. That is less than 10% of the total capacity under development. According to official projections from Aneel, Brazil must incorporate 9,142 megawatts of installed power to the electrical system over the next year. The volume represents a growth of 23.4%. The increase will be driven mainly by the expansion of renewable sources, especially solar and wind energy. The projected growth reinforces the structural transformation of the Brazilian energy sector and consolidates the leading role of clean energy sources. India's renewable energy groups have objected to a regulatory proposal that could strip developers of interstate transmission system connectivity if long-term power purchase agreements are not signed in a timely fashion. The Central Electricity Regulatory Commission's move would unfairly penalize projects stalled for reasons beyond their control. More than 45 gigawatts of renewable capacity currently holds grid connectivity based on letters of award, but has not progressed to power purchase agreements. This is blocking transmission bays needed for new projects. The UK government said its flagship renewable energy auction will attract £3.4 billion of private investment to build factories, ports, and domestic supply chains across the UK. Public money will be invested through the government's new Clean Industry Bonus. It was introduced as part of the AR7 auction to provide financial rewards for developers investing in areas such as traditional oil and gas communities, ex-industrial areas, or ports and coastal towns. Thanks to intense competition in the AR7 auction, the average strike prices landed at £91.20 per megawatt-hour in England and Wales. Average prices were £89.49 in Scotland. That's well below the cost of building and running new fossil fuel or nuclear power in the UK. New gas plants in the UK are estimated to cost approximately £147, while new nuclear power plants come in at around £124. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.